Welcome to North Kolkata. Today, we're diving into the world of flavors, textures, and pure indulgence. Join me as we explore the city's famous Kachuris, a snack that's been winning hearts for generations. Kachuris, or Kachoris, are deep-fried delights with a variety of fillings like spiced lentils or potatoes, wrapped in a crispy shell of flour dough. Each bite is a burst of flavors and history, with roots going back to ancient India. Our first stop is Patla's Kachuri, a 60-year-old establishment right here in the heart of North Kolkata. Known for their masala kachuri, they've got their own recipe passed down through generations.
Our next stop is a modern twist on the Kachuri tradition. Here at this shop, they retaking the classic flavors and giving them a fresh update, blending local spices with international flavors. Wow! You can taste the tradition in the spices, but the fusion flavors add a whole new dimension. A perfect blend of old and new. It has a fun twist that'll surprise anyone familiar with classic Kachouris.
From traditional to fusion to sweet, North Kolkata's Kachouris are as diverse as the people who make them. Each place has its own twist on this classic, showing just how much love and creativity goes into a simple snack. Thanks for joining me on this delicious adventure through North Kolkata. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below on what you'd like to see next. Until next time, keep exploring, keep eating, and keep discovering the flavors that make Kolkata so special.